Oh, it's New Year's Day, 2024. Oh, thank God for that. 2023 is finally over. So, let's get straight into it with another car show. Let's go. Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to Flat Cat Motoring, featuring my morning voice once again. Oh, it's New Year's Day. Yeah, so obviously it's nice and early on New Year's Day. Well, it's about 9 o'clock here at the moment. So it's a bit of a special day for me today. Well, for me and Mrs. Flat Cat, because today is our 5-year anniversary, obviously, that we've been together. So yeah, I said to Mrs. Flat Cat, well, what would you like to do today? And she said she'd like to go to a New Year's Day car meet. Now, the car meet in question, we actually went to last year, and that's sort of where the inspiration for the YouTube channel came from, really. So we thought that we would go back over to Cotswold Classic Car Club's New Year's Day meet, because it's somewhere that we both like to be, and like I said, it's where the YouTube channel basically got started from. So I'm just crossing over the road here. Yeah, it's where the channel basically got started from. So it's kind of a significant event, obviously, for the both of us, really. So I'm just walking around the garage at the moment to go and get the little Corsa B out the garage, so we can take that today, because it hasn't been out for a little while, and we thought it'd be a good idea to give it a little run. So yeah, let's go and get the car out, and yeah, obviously gather up Mrs. Flat Cat and Boy Wonder, because he will be joining us again today. So yeah, should be a good day. Right, obviously I don't have time to wash it this morning, so I've just given it a quick wipe over with some quick detailer. It's not the best job in the world, but you know, obviously it's New Year's Day. It's the middle of winter, so she's got plenty of wax and protection on it anyway, so yeah. Right. Okay, right, let's go and gather the family, and yeah, we'll make a move, so we'll catch up with you when we're there. Alright, so we've made it down to Andoversford Trading Estate. Obviously that's where the event's being held today. So, yeah, quite a few people here already, so yeah, let's get straight into it and let's see what we can see. At me straight away. Ford F100, it's custom cab. That's lovely. Grey with that red little accents obviously got in the wheels, and yeah, fantastic. What an awesome combo this is. Black Mondeo ST with Cosworth wheels on. I'll tell you what, that looks really, really smart. The red leather in there as well. That's fantastic. I like that, that's very nice. This is a very busy meeting here. Obviously this is only one bit of it, and obviously there's more around the other side over there, obviously where we parked. Yeah, really, really good turnout this is. Similar sort of vibe to like Bista sort of Scramble, really. Obviously not as big, but sort of like held around like loads and loads of different like units and things like that. So yeah. It's really quite good actually. Up here, just let this man have a sit in the Jeep, haven't you, mate? Yeah. Right, let's go and see some more stuff. Right, nice collection of minis here. Orange one's really nice, isn't it? Clubman. Down. Mini van as well. It's nice. It's just there's so much different stuff here. Look at that's cracking, and look at that 1664 canister. That's cool. I like that. I just spotted this. I can't say I've ever seen one of these before. This is a Ford Platinum Explorer. Yeah, I don't think you get these in this country. This is the first one I've seen anyway. quite big. Obviously, he's left-hand drive as well, so I'm guessing he's American import. Quite a nice looking thing though, to be honest. Yeah, I like that. Very nice. Check out the Alpine. This is a right-hand drive as well, so obviously the UK car. Turbo V6 as well. That's lovely. Look at the lines on that one. Awesome thing that is. This, obviously, if you don't know, this is a Honda Insight first hybrid production car. Quite futuristic for its time. Almost becoming a classic itself now. It's a little bit of information for you. Want to read that, just pause the video slightly. Yeah, rare to see one of these. I said there's not a lot of these left and they didn't sell in great numbers, so which is surprising because underneath they're actually a really good little car. Great, moving on. I don't think this is actually part of the event, but I've just spotted this old Vauxhall Frontera over here, 2.8 TDI. So obviously this is an Isuzu engine. Very early Frontera. They were crap, don't get me wrong, but yeah, don't see these very often, so it'd be worth a little walk around. Definitely need some love and TLC, but yeah, cool to see that. Right, guys, I'm going to leave it there. Yeah, it is quite cold this morning, and Toby's getting a bit restless because he's cold and hungry. So, yeah, we're going to leave the video there. So, guys, if you've never checked these guys out, go and have a look at them on Facebook. They're called Cotswold Classic Car Club. They do events throughout the year. Yeah, they do a few different things, but all cars are welcome. So, yeah, good little all-round club really. So, guys, if you haven't checked these guys out, go and have a look at them on Facebook. I'll put a link for Cotswold Classic Car Club on the description of the video. Yeah, really good event today, to be honest with you. Like I said, it's people are sort of coming and going throughout the day. Like I said, we're not going to be staying here until it finishes at 3 o'clock, but we're not going to be staying here that long because obviously the weather is cold, and obviously we have got a few other little bits and pieces we need to do today. So, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, just remember to give it a like, and yeah, obviously you want to see a bit more from me, remember to hit the subscribe button as well, so you can stay up to date with all the videos that we've got coming up. Yeah, still plenty coming up. Like I said, we're starting 2024 quite strong. Got quite a few videos in the making at the moment, so yeah. So, guys, thank you very much for watching. Like I said, we're going to make a move now, so yeah. Thank you for staying to the end if you have, and we'll catch you on the next one. Ta-da!